Hi everyone, I'm here today to dive into a hot topic. Could GameStop and AMC stocks skyrocket again soon? Now, before we go any further, let me just remind you that investments carry inherent risks. Please make sure to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions. All right, let's get into it. Just a few years ago, GameStop and AMC became household names overnight, not just as businesses, but as the epicenters of a massive financial movement. The words short squeeze and gamma squeeze started buzzing around, and suddenly everyone was talking about stocks. So what's the buzz about now? Well, there's chatter in the financial corners of the internet about a possible repeat. Could these stocks once again become the stars of a massive price surge due to a gamma squeeze or delta hedging? Let's break it down. First, a quick refresher. A gamma squeeze happens when the price of a stock increases due to excessive buying of call options, forcing market makers to buy more of the stock to hedge themselves. Delta hedging, on the other hand, involves buying or selling stock to offset the risk associated with options positions. Now, rumor has it that hedge funds, which were previously betting against stocks like GameStop and AMC, might be in a vulnerable position again. If a significant number of options are purchased, it could potentially trigger another round of gamma squeezes. But here's where it gets interesting. The market dynamics have changed since the last big squeeze. More traders are informed, vigilant, and ready to jump on opportunities. This awareness could either dampen the effect or fuel it even more by drawing in a larger crowd ready to bet on these stocks. So what should you as a trader be looking for? Keep an eye on the trading volume of options for signs of unusual activity. An uptick in purchased calls might be your cue. Also monitor the news closely. Any hint of financial trouble for big hedge funds could be the spark that lights up these stocks. Remember, the window of opportunity here could snap shut as quickly as it cracks open. Timing is everything, and the stakes are high. This isn't for the faint-hearted or the inexperienced. Make sure you're prepared to either take a quick action or to step back if things don't align. In conclusion, while there's no crystal ball to predict exactly what will happen with GameStop and AMC stocks, keeping a finger on the pulse of market indicators and sentiment could place you in a better position to act when the time is right. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, stay informed, stay vigilant, and most importantly, stay smart with your investments.